Hameeda, how are you?
Good, great, and you, OB?
Very well, thank you. What a phenomenal, beautiful looking practice that you have here.
Thank you so much.
As you've seen, the past few days or few weeks, we've been doing these random videos or discussions with various optoms and industry leaders. And I got here this morning and I found you in these beautiful scrubs that you are wearing. How long have you had these?
Actually, I just ordered them and I'm so impressed. It's from Tank.
Okay. I'm noticing here that you're actually very conscious of how you've positioned your brand in these small little things like the clock here, various components within your practice or your examination room where you've got your name or your practice brand well written on these different things. What made you decide to do that?
Obviously the more you show of your brand, the more it kind of burns on that retina.
I kind of like it because it really stands out and it's unique and you get to see your personality in these small little things. When I got here and I said, okay, let's do an impromptu video, you said let's have a practical session where you're going to be doing something specific that you have recently learned. And you said let's go into dry eye, and the reasoning behind it was that over the years you have seen that optometrists here in South Africa mainly, we have always had this thing of just treating dry eye as a by the way thing and not having this clinical approach towards treating dry eye for every single patient that complains of dry eye related stuff. What made you then have an interest in that type of approach, and why do you want us to do something dry eye related in this particular video?
You've hit the nail on the head there. It's needing to look for it in those who complain and those who don't, because if they don't complain, your signs and symptoms are not always hand in hand, and they're going to come back. And if you're going to want to try starting to treat them at that point of the disease, it's going to be more difficult. So, if we're just patients tend to think that you can put in a drop and that fixes it, or if you have a symptom, you put it in and 5 weeks later you're not using any drops and you're putting it in again when you feel an irritation. And what we're moving to do now is to try and actually sort of do almost like a facial, I call it, for your eyes. And this is all thanks to Marietjie Cilliers.
I love things like this. Marietjie is fantastic, what she's contributed and is constantly contributing to the eye care industry.
Yeah, she's amazing.
It's absolutely phenomenal. So let's do it. I'll be your guinea pig. Let's see. So what are we going to do?
Okay, so I'm going to do a quick workup before we start with a warm compressor, and then do some of the treatment with some of the tools that we need to use.
Alright, so I'm going to then pretend like I don't know what's going on with any of these things.
Okay.
So that we actually make it practical for those optometrists who are also going to go in this route, and that they can actually see how easy it is for them to start doing this type of work. So I'll ask you various questions.
Okay.
And we're expecting very top-notch clinical answers. I'm just
okay.
But
try.
let's do it.
Alright, let's do it.